3 pallets cut up. And 2 of them already went through the fire. Well, pieces of them anyways, not the whole thing. Anything good I'm keeping out. Waste not, want not here at Old Sneelock Pork Shop. And I can tell by the clock on the wall, it is nearly supper time. And since I'm the chief cook and bottle washer, that means I gotta go in the house. So I'm gonna turn off the lights out here, shut you guys off, go in the house, make some supper, get rested up from my efforts here, and come back out. Hopefully everything will be warm out here.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.